Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 6 says 2 plus 3 times 4a minus 1 plus 6a minus 9. So first I'm going to start with grouping symbols again. I have parentheses 4a minus 1. It's not workable. They're not like terms. There are no exponents in the problem, so now I'm going to look at multiplication and division. I do have algebraic multiplication or the distributive property. I'm going to multiply 3 times 4a and 3 times negative 1. So I would get 2 plus 3 times 4a is 12a and 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. And my multiplication plus 6a minus 9. Last, I'm going to do adding and subtracting, which algebraically is combining like terms. So I have an a and an a. I am going to add 12a plus 6a, which will give me 18a. And then I'm going to add together my numbers. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. Negative 1 minus 9 is negative 10. So my answer is 18a minus 10.